If you're wondering why there's black on here, I accidentally dumped some black paint in it. I don't want the camera to fall again. I mean, one hurt while I'm gone on it, and won't hurt anyone. The one supposed engineer ran away. Didn't want to stop, but he didn't want to pay. And this camera is super screwed up. There we go. From the fall. He was heading for the scrap. Yeah, you know what happened to my old Thomas? I used my duck. Hey, maybe I'll turn this into... That's close. Because I'm just gonna keep the wheels blue. I had enough of this. You know, painting with filming. Let me just get on my knees. Ow. Oh, yep. The black is already in. You know what? Yeah. This actually looks fun. Oh, wait. No, it's not gonna be LBSC Thomas. It's gonna be Thomas's Halloween costume. I already made the Trackmaster version. I mean, this engine's pretty much useless. I mean, its eyes missing. Now, where's that green paint? Oh, yeah, I also have metallic paint. A metallic paint. That's what the water looks like. I have white paint, black paint, another white, pink sprinkles, something. Red, pink, orange. What's this? Green. Green was, sprinkles. Red was sprinkles, and just blue. Also, I have this. And this knife. That's it. That's all I have. And here's Thomas's Halloween costume. Let me get some black from this. I want it to look creepy as possible. Actually, what's that black I was using? You got this story down to the bone. If anyone knows the song, congratulations on you. Actually, this is not Thomas's Halloween costume. It's the Ghost Engine Percy was talking about, not Timothy, because I already have Timothy. Next is this crane dude. You're saying, ooh, but that's Kevin. Do not mind the branded. Yeah, it's Kevin, but I'm going to turn him into, oh crap, my paint. I'm going to turn him into an orange. I'm going to turn him into orange, like Rusty. Let me get my napkin for the paint. My hand's just getting dirty today. Oh, there's... Oh crap, I got some on the face. Well, it's kind of hard to paint while you're on, looking at the screen. Oh. I did take art class, but my teacher, I think, was being mean to me. I know, she looked like she was wanted to be mean to me, but, and again, she didn't. So don't judge me on that. There we go. Oh, crap. I need some music and when I make another one of this. You got this story down to the bone. I think that's done. Just need to let that dry. Put the orange back on. Fun fact, never mind actually. The fun fact was supposed to be about a train. Who can I do next? Oh, yeah, you. Okay, this is where you guys vote. Should I make him a mixed color? Should I make him a mixed color? Or should I just paint green? Just normal green. Just normal green. You tell me.